Hello, this is Anna from RK Artisans. I just wanted to check in again. I hope you all had a great New Year's. My husband and I managed to do our Lord of the Rings Two Towers lineup, and we got it to where Theoden said, and so it begins, at 11:59. So we were only like 60 seconds off, 30 seconds off. It was very, very close. We almost had it perfect. It was great. Anyway, I was getting ready to bake some more because I'm in a baking mood. I'm not usually a baker. Anyone who's grown up around my family or knows us even slightly knows that I'm not the one who's known for my baking skills. That's Aunt Mary and my sister Nicole. They're the grand bakers. But I've got to be in my bonnet, so here we go. Anyway, I thought I'd check in because I was getting out my apron and thought I haven't talked to you guys in a while. So, I hope your January's going well. Y'all are staying warm. Our weather has turned almost balmy, but now it's starting to get that bite in the air again, which means we'll get that last minute cold front again. It's our Pacific Northwest weather. It's delightful. Nothing super new to report as far as the website, but I will show you what we have because as we're finishing out winter, we're headed into spring and we have some fun holidays coming up. So I wanted to show you real quick. Oops. See if I can. So we've got all of our old stuff from the holidays still if you want to prepare for next Christmas and Hanukkah, but we also have some kind of adorable spring aprons. Oh, I need to update the website so you can zoom in, but this is adorable little shamrocks and pots of gold that you can, there you go, and top hats and all the shamrocky, oh goodness, St. Patrick's Day, that's the one I'm trying to think of. All the St. Patrick's shenanigans. So we do have that one up if you're looking for some fresh aprons for the fall. We have some of these beautiful ones with flowers. This has little basket bouquets, and I adore these buttons. I think that's the perfect just little pop of color to bring that forward. So we have that. We have some fresh aprons for you to check out. We also have, if we go to accessories here, oh, this is very important for right now. We have these luscious lotion bars, and they really are luscious. I'm not just saying that. For anyone who's never used a lotion bar before, they're delightful. It feels like a very soft bar of soap, and what you do is you hold it in your hand for a second and rub it between your hands, and just the heat of your body melts off just enough lotion to rub into your skin. These are so soft, and they're made with all natural ingredients. They soak into your skin really nicely without leaving you feeling all filmy and gross, which I hate. And it's exactly what we need for this last bit of winter, because I don't know about you, but I'm so chapped from everything. I have dry skin to begin with. So anyway, they come in several different flavors. Scents, excuse me, fragrances. You've got lavender, eucalyptus, orange, lemongrass, peppermint, cocoa butter, and then we do offer a variety pack if you're going to get a pack of 5 bars for $20. Excuse me. My brain's getting ahead of my words today. All of these, they're made with cocoa butter, so all of them, even the lemongrass and the eucalyptus, have a little bit of that cocoa flavor at the back end of it. They smell so yummy. I can't even describe them to you. I wish these videos had smell that I could send to you. Otherwise, we have some really fun springtime earrings, spring and summer. I love these seashells. I think they're really cute. And I'll show you in this picture, we have a variety of them, and they come in just these really faint color shifts. So you've got the white, and then you've got a little bit of blue. It's like hint of blue, hint of green. They're so pretty and so delicate. It's like just the right accent without being overmuch. Nothing too gaudy. If you want a little more pizzazz, we have these beautiful things, little butterfly wings. These also come in a few different colors. So you can accent them to whatever outfit you're wearing. So anyway, we just have some fun stuff. Definitely applicable here as we get into warmer weather and are wanting to be more festive. Any of you who work in healthcare or just happen to need masks for wearing for every day, we do still have the mask packs. We have our Disney pack, and we have animals, different kinds of animals. And then we do just a random patterns. Let me move my camera so you can actually see that better. I love that mustache one. It makes me very happy. And most of these pictures you see that there are ties, but we do offer, it's hard to see on the white head, we do offer the ear loop one, which I know many people find more comfortable. It's always a toss-up for me because where I wear the glasses, and then now I've got my cool headphones, it's a lot of things around my ears, so I don't tend to do the ear loops unless I'm just wearing it for a short time to go in and out of the pharmacy or whatever it is. So we offer the head ties or the loops, either option you can pick. And those are just, like I say, keep you healthy, keep you happy. If you need them for work, this is a great place, and these are all machine washable. Because as convenient as those throwaway ones are, when you have to wear them every day or regularly, it's nice to be able to reuse them. We're all about sustainability over here. I think, let me see. We have started getting in, excuse me, there we go. These table runners, most of these ones are holiday set, but we will have some more coming that are just seasonal. I love the colors in that one. That is so happy. This one reminds me of all of Grandma Jerry's decorations when we were growing up. She had, I think that was pretty much her color palette for all of her Santa Clauses and all of the ornaments on her tree, and it's very cute. Makes me happy. And then we have these beautiful ones that have dreidels on them for those of us who do Hanukkah as well, or instead of. But like I say, we will have some more spring motifs as far as those table runners. We're also working on, sorry, this is a lot, so I'm giving you all the things, and I'll break it up into smaller posts later. We're also working toward offering custom table runners and table sets, so including the placemats. I showed you back in one of the first videos we did the set that Grandma Jerry made us for our wedding, my husband's and my wedding, and that's one of her standard things. But we also realize that not everybody's table is built the same. There are some fairly standard sizes, but if you have a big family, you're going to need something larger. If you have just a really formal setup in your dining area, then you're going to want to make sure whatever table runner you get fits perfectly, right? So, we will soon have up a custom table runner ordering option where you can pick between you can input your specific table length, so Grandma Jerry can make sure she makes it to the right length that you need for your dining room. And pick some fabric colors, and we'll start a whole conversation about what kind of fabric you want it made out of, what kind of pattern you want. So that's fun, and that's exciting. I think that is most of what I have. I do have, for any of you who are My computer's being weird. For any of you who are trying to be more organized as we start this new year, we do have things like this. This is a kid's chore chart. Let me get a closer look in on one of these here. So, okay. Back when I was nannying my nibblings, my nieces and nephews, we did this thing called Kingdom Days. Because I didn't want it to be Princess Days because we had little boys hanging out, and it didn't need to be just Night Days because we had little girls hanging out, so it was just the kingdom. It was a Kingdom Day. Where we all dressed up in our armor and our fancy clothes and cool crowns and got our swords, and we just had a grand old time. We did night training, we did lord and lady training. So if you're a lord and a lady, your job is to take care of the people who live in your kingdom, right? So we had to do things like make sure the kingdom was in a neat and orderly fashion so that everybody could do what they needed to do. We had to make sure we fed ourselves and fed our people, so everybody took turns making food in the kitchen. We did obstacle courses as part of our knights training, you know, shining knights in shining armor, however we say that. Anyway, it was really fun. We did tea parties, and out of that, we created to-do lists of things that, as a knight or a lord or a lady, these were things that needed to be taken care of in the kingdom in order to make sure the kingdom ran properly, right? So we have quest boards. Anyone who plays RPGs, role-playing games, should appreciate this. So, long story long, we made these quest boards for chore charts. So I'm going to try and read through my staple here. So it says, the nightly guard duties. It says, clear the streets of clutter. Toys, books, garbage, goblins, etc. It says, all knights who accomplish this task may see the captain to roll for rewards. So in this case, we had it, the reward system for doing your chores was set up with a dice, just like in a role-playing game. And so, depending on what you rolled, depended on what your reward was. And then this one was funny because my nephew his job was to take care of the pool, and rake out all the leaves so that it was ready for swimming in the summer. So it says, a bug witch has poisoned Crystal Lake. We need a brave adventurer to bring balance to the waters and clear off the leaves and the slime. And completing that task meant that the lake, was now open for swimming. So anyway, like I say, very long story long, but it's just a fun way to keep the kids active and interested and participating in all the responsibilities of keeping the house in order, keeping the kingdom in order, so that, you know, we can all live our lives and do what we need to do. This is offered in, hopefully I'm not giving you guys whiplash jumping back and forth. This is offered in by age range. So the chores that are listed are ones that are developmentally appropriate for the age. I look that up by looking at family counselor websites and child development websites to get a list of what's appropriate for what age range. If you have specific chores for your household, because like I said, my nephew, he was in charge of the pool specifically. That was his job. If you have any special chores that are specific like that, you can tell me about it. You can put that in there, and we will get a chore chart made specific and special for the knights of your realm. So anyway, since it's a new year and we're all trying to get more organized and start off on a good foot, that's a really cool thing to have. All the things. Every little thing. So hopefully that wasn't too much of a download for you. You can always watch back on this and listen to it a few times. And again, I will share all these things separately so you can get the breakdown for each individual thing that I talked about today. But I wanted to say hi and show you what we've got going on. And yeah, now I should start my baking, I suppose. I'm going to make pizza for dinner. I have a really good like instant pizza dough that is delightful. It tastes so yummy. And you can make it for deep dish or like a thick crust or a thin crust. It all depends on how you roll it. It's delightful. Makes me so happy. I also promised my husband chocolate chip cookies like forever ago. It's been at least 2 months, so I should probably do that finally. I hope you all are having a wonderful day, getting some sunshine or at least some fresh air, and achieving all your goals for the week. It's a Thursday, so we're headed toward the weekend. Yeah, I think that's all I got. I gotta get baking. So I've got my Grandma Jerry special. I'm using this one because my stepdaughter's not here, so I get to use it. And I guess we will talk more later. This is Anna of RK Artisans, and I hope you all have a beautiful day.